When I first came to Thailand, this is the problem that I ran into the most.
NANI?!
No spicy.
No spicy.
No spicy.
Yes. No spicy.
So he says no spicy, but let's see. Look at the chilies. Look at them. No spicy. But it's really spicy. So I got home and did my research. I asked ChatGPT, best app to learn Thai language. Ling comment first. Oh, interesting. And fast forward, now I have you Ling to learn Thai language for more than 1 year now. And I have to say, it is the best app if you want to learn Thai. Let me prove you how. Hi everyone, this is the Ling App Interface and I'm using the desktop version, but you can also use it for mobile, a tablet or any kind of device that you wish. So a quick look, this is the app interface and right here you can earn a coin every time you finish a lesson to use it as a hint for future lessons, and you can grab some banana points to rank higher on the leaderboard. Why banana? Because Ling in Thai language means monkey, so I guess it's a funny thing for us to call banana points. Monkeys love bananas. And right here in your profile, you can track your study as well as set your daily goal, or you can see your achievement. But let's get back to the Ling app. So first of all, you can choose the language that you want to learn, because look at this. Ling supports so many different languages like Tagalog, Vietnamese, Khmer, Serbian, Lithuanian, Hungarian, Nepalese, Croatian, Malayalam. So if you notice, a lot of languages that Ling offer right here are not that popular languages for learners. So sometimes it's very difficult for us to find a good material for self-studying. But with Ling, I think it's going to be easier. And right here, you can choose your native language or the language that you want to use as an instruction. And this is one of the tips that I got from my polyglot friends. Try to learn a new language via the language that you already know well, so that you can learn two at the same time. Right now for this review video, I will use English to learn Thai. And another cool thing about the app that I really love, look, they have from beginner level to intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, and expert. It's just so amazing because normally an app just offer you to the beginner or intermediate level, but here with Ling you can learn it not only to the advanced level but to the expert level. That is blew my mind on what an app can offer you. So let's try to take a lesson. So right here you can see they have different models for you to choose to practice and study. And let's click into one.
ผู้หญิง ฉันเป็นผู้หญิง
I don't know if you can hear it very well, but for me the voice is so clear and easy.
ผู้หญิง
They also have the slow speed version of the voice so that you can hear and practice.
ผู้ชาย คุณเป็นผู้ชาย
Oh, test. ผู้หญิง
ผู้หญิง เด็กผู้หญิง ผู้หญิง เด็กผู้ชาย
เด็กผู้ชาย But I really love this kind of flashcard game, good for practice vocabulary.
เด็กผู้ชาย
Oh, and they have some grammar notes as well. You can see the table for all the pronouns that they can use in Thai language, as well as the explanation for it. I love the details. I'm telling you, these games can be very addicted. So now we move into the dialogue. So here you can see the conversation between two people.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
สบายดีไหมคะ
ผมสบายดีครับ แล้วคุณล่ะครับ
ฉันสบายดีค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะ ลาก่อนค่ะ
แล้วเจอกันครับ
โชคดีค่ะ
Okay, we'll see what next. Oh, now we're gonna have some exercise based on the conversation that we already listened to. Fill in the blank. Amazing, good job. To me, I really love the games. I can take a 5 or 10 minutes breaks to play some games while reviewing my languages as well. Here we have speaking. Okay, so now we can do some tests.
คุณอายุ40 ปี
Okay, now let me try. คุณอายุ40 ปี Not quite. Girl, you need to practice more. ผู้ชาย
ผู้ชาย
Okay, good job. Good.
เธอมาจากประเทศเยอรมนี
เธอมาจากประเทศเยอรมนี Ooh, I really love this shadowing technique. You can see the Latin transcript and you can listen to the voice so that you can repeat. This system is very well organized for learners. So it can be fun. Sometimes you got it right, sometimes you got it wrong. There's still room for you to improve. And here we have a writing. Let's check it out. Oh, this is what bring me the most headache because I'm very used to the Latin alphabet. But now Thai is just completely different. And in this writing practice, I can learn the letter well.
กอไก่
Okay, and let me practice my writing with this.
นอหนู
No, no. I really love that they have the arrow so that it show you the stroke order or where you need to start with your writing. Sometimes it looks very confusing for me. I have no idea how to start, but let me try. Okay, one more.
รอเรือ
Rua. Okay, you start at the bottom. Well, without the app, I can start from the top. Very helpful. I have met a lot of Thai learner. They can speak well, but they cannot read or write. They just naturally give up. But actually, a lot of friends told me that you need to learn how to write and how to read the letter so that you don't have to depend on the letter transcript all the time. And of course, you would like to read the strict size or something on the menus, right? I will give Ling 10 out of 10 for this well thought function. And here you have an exam to review everything that you have learned so far. 14. Okay. And here, after you study everything and you want to move on to the next lesson, click on review so that you can have a quick review on what you have learned so far and get ready to the new lesson. So you can review the vocabulary right here. Okay. And listen to the dialogue again here, as well as the grammar that we need to pay attention and remember after this lesson. So there's one more function in Ling that you definitely need to check out, which is chat box. So what's cool about that, let me show you. Here you see the dialogue that we have learned so far, right? You have two options right here. You can click on
สวัสดีครับ
okay, to listen to what is said.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Okay, and when you click try to speak, it disappears. So this time you have to really remember what you have learned to speak it. It's not like you reading the text. No, it's you remember and speak it. So let me try. สวัสดีครับ
สบายดีไหมคะ
By doing this, you have to force yourself to apply what you have learned to prepare yourself for the daily conversation out there. Let me do some practice on this.
ผมรู้สึกไม่ค่อยดี ผมสบายดีครับ
ผมสบายดีครับ
แล้วคุณล่ะ
แล้วคุณล่ะครับ
ฉันสบายดีค่ะ แล้วเจอกันค่ะ
แล้วเจอกันครับ
แล้วเจอกันครับ There we go. You see, so if you're looking for an app to learn Thai or review Thai when you have free time, I highly recommend you to try Link. And if you click download from the link in the description box, you can get the free trial lessons. So there's nothing for you to hesitate. Just go click and start your learning today. I see you in the next video. Bye bye. And come back and let me know if you like it.